The 650 patio door system is designed for premium residential applications. Its frame is crafted from durable PVC with precision-placed wood inserts in the jamb, delivering exceptional rigidity without compromising the all-PVC exterior finish. Inside the sash, a high-strength steel reinforcement boosts resistance to warping or impact, while the narrow 2 5/8 inch profile maximizes glass area for unobstructed views. The aluminum sill cover and 9-degree slope will channel water away from the door, keeping interiors dry even in the toughest storms. Security is paramount. Engage the rugged double-point lock with the choice of a sleek look handle or upgrade to the premium view handle available in multiple finishes. Low-E glass meets Energy Star for southern climates, cutting heating and cooling costs. For added convenience, choose built-in blinds sealed between the glass. No dusting, no fuss. Backed by a 20-year limited warranty, the 650 patio door is engineered for demanding environments and lasting performance.